Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sparsh and today we are going to learn how to multiply a multi-digit number by a multi-digit number. So let's say I want to do 45 times 51. Alright friends, so first I'm going to multiply the number in the ones place by the number on top. So first I'm going to do 1 times 5. Which is 5. I'm going to place 5 right on the bottom. Now I'm going to do 1 times 4, which is 4. So I'm just going to place it right down here. Now I'm going to multiply the number in the tens place by these numbers. But before we can start multiplying, we'll have to put a 0 here because this is not 5. This is 50 since it's in the tens place. So I'll put a 0 right down here, and now we can start multiplying. 5 times 5 is 25, so I'm going to place a 5 down here and carry the 2. Now 5 times 4 is 20 plus 2, which is 22. So I'm going to put 22 right down here. Now I'm going to add these two numbers up. I'm going to put a plus sign so that it turns into an addition sentence. And now let's start adding. 5 plus 0 is 5. 4 plus 5 is 9. And 2 is 2, and 2 is 2. So, friends, our answer is 2,295. Now let's try something a little more different and a little more difficult. Let's say I want to do 239 times 45. So we're going to write it down the exact same way. And we could start multiplying. 5 times 9 is 45. So I'm going to place a 5 on the bottom, and I'm going to carry the 4. 5 times 3 is 15 plus 4, which is 19. So I'm going to place my 9 on the bottom, carry 1. 5 times 2 is 10. Plus I'm going to add the 1 that I carried, so it's 11. I'm going to place 11 right down here. Now I'm going to multiply this number in the tens place with the number on top. So I'm going to place a 0 since it's 40, not 4. And now I'm going to do 4 times 9, which is 36. But before I carry anything down here, if I do carry something, I might get mixed up because of my previous multiplication, which I left the carries over here. So I need to first get rid of these carries so I can now carry my number. So 4 times 9 is 36. So I'm going to place a 6 right on the bottom. I'm going to carry the 3. Now I'm going to do 4 times 3, which is 12, plus 3 that I carried, which is 15. So I'm going to put a 5 on the bottom, and I'm going to carry the 1. Now I'm going to do 4 times 2, plus 1, which is 9. Now I'm going to do the total of all of these numbers, and I'm going to add them up. So 5 plus 0 is 5, 9 plus 6 is 15, so I'm going to place a 5 down here. I'm going to carry the 1. 1 plus 1 plus 5 is 7, 1 plus 9 is 10. So friends, our answer is 10,755. Now friends, I'd like to show you guys one last example that is going to be a little more different and a little more challenging. So friends, let's say I want to do 549 times 130. So I'm going to write it down just as I always do. And now we could start multiplying. However, there is a 0 here, so we don't need to multiply because anything times 0 is 0. So it's going to be pointless if we multiply this. We're going to get nothing. So let's move on to the 3. Since it's in the tens place, we're going to add 1 0. And now I'm going to start multiplying. 3 times 9 is 27. So I'm going to place a 7 down here, and I'm going to carry the 2. 3 times 4 2 is 14. So I'm going to put a 4 down here, and I'm going to carry the 1. 3 times 5 is 15, plus 1, which is 16. So I'm going to place 16 right down here. I'm going to put my plus sign, and I'm going to start multiplying with the 1. Although before I could start multiplying by 1, I need to put 2 zeros this time. If it were in the tens position, I'd put 1 0, but since 100 has 2 zeros in it, I'm going to put 2 zeros before I start multiplying. And I'm also going to cross these off, so if I need to carry forward anything, I won't get mixed up. So first I'm going to place 2 zeros. Now I'm going to start with the multiplication. 1 times 9 is 9. 1 times 4 is 4. And 1 times 5 is 5. Now we're going to add this up. 0 plus 0 is 0. 7 plus 0 is 7. 4 plus 9 is 13. 1 plus 6 plus 4 is 11. And 1 plus 1 plus 5 is 7. All right, friends, so our answer is 71,370. That's all for today. If you liked my video and learned something new, please give it a like. And if you have not yet, please subscribe to my channel. And see you guys next time. Bye.